In this video, I'll give you an overview of security automations. Security automations give you the ability to send an email or web request alert when a security event is attempted. On the Automations page, there are 5 pre-configured security automations. If enabled and the security event is attempted, a notification will be sent. You can also create your own security automation. To create a security automation, navigate to the Administration page and select Automations. Click Create Automation and then select Create Security Event Automation. I'll create an email alert when a user gets prompted for a one-time password. First, I'll name the automation. Next, I'll define the event filter. If you need help, you can click the plus button to choose a popular expression or click the Show Reference link. Finally, choose an action, either email or web request. I'll choose email. In the email dialog, leave the to and from fields blank to use the default address. Next, on the subject line, use a variable to define the event. Then select True for the HTML body and use variables for the event details. Once you are done, click Save. Now you'll get an email when a user logs in and is prompted for a one-time password. That's it for security automations. To learn more, visit our documentation linked below. Thanks for watching.